I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canvas Pro. First, let's dive into getting started with this powerful design tool. You'll discover an expansive library featuring over 100 million premium stock photos, videos, and audio tracks, ready for your creative projects. Plus, explore more than 600,000 professional templates to kickstart any design. The intuitive drag-and-drop interface makes creating stunning visuals incredibly simple, even for beginners. Now, let's explore some of Canvas Pro's core design tools that will elevate your creations. The Brand Kit feature allows you to effortlessly maintain consistent brand identity by storing your logos, colors, and fonts. With Magic Resize, you can instantly adapt any design to fit various social media platforms or print dimensions in just one click. And for quick edits, the Background Remover tool makes isolating subjects from their backgrounds incredibly easy. Moving on to advanced features and seamless collaboration, Canvas Pro offers powerful tools for teams. You can schedule up to 8 social media posts per day directly from the platform, streamlining your content strategy. Real-time collaboration allows multiple team members to work on the same design simultaneously, fostering creativity and efficiency. Plus, enjoy the peace of mind of 24/7 priority support, ensuring help is always available. Finally, let's talk about exporting and sharing your amazing Canvas Pro designs. You can download your finished projects in various high-resolution formats, including PNG, JPG, and PDF print, ensuring professional quality. Sharing is simple. Directly post to your favorite social media platforms or send via email. For team feedback or client presentations, generate shareable links, making collaboration and distribution incredibly convenient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.